Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Daud. I am from Balochistan. When I clear my FSC, there's a lot of question, lot of confusions arising in my mind about interest exams. Which book is best for interest exams? Which academy is best for interest exams? There's a lot of question arising in my mind. I see about top grade and I join it. My confusions, my problems clear through this app, because video lectures are available on this app, revision notes are available, and MCQs are available. 3000 plus MCQs are available. Video lectures of Sir Muazzam Mandu Sahab, his study method is one of the best. I love it. And when your app shows some problems, the guidance teacher Sir Abdul Wahid Sahab are also available on 24 hours available on WhatsApp, and you can contact him and share your problems. They guide you. And I recommended that those students who could not pay the fees of hostels, who could not pay the fees of academy, just sit your home and join the top grade, and you can score best in your exams. And those students who goes outside their homes and pay the fees of hostels, pay the fees of academy, I also recommended that just sit your home and join the top grade app. Your confusion will be clear, your everything will be clear about interest exams, and you can score best score in your exams. In future, top grade in future become more successful in future. And I recommended that those students who prepare themselves in 2023, so just come and join top grade and learn best and learn properly and learn 24 hours. The top grade is available for you. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
You can also download TopGrade app from Google Play Store or App Store. Visit www.topgrade.pk. For more information, contact the given numbers.